Oh, I'm back in Gracewind Lake Pass again. Oh my god. Do you know why Gracewind Lake Pass was so creepy? Because one, I heard some non-human roars, and it scared me to death. Like, what the hell? This is so creepy. Huh?
Tower 2. Hourly radio check. Over.
Forget it.
You there, buddy?
Oh.
Event Tower 4. Do you copy? Over.
Oh. Okay. Tower 2, this is Tower 4. I copy, over.
Good to hear, Tower 4. Kicking off for the night. Park's all yours. Over.
Oh, the hiker must be here by now. He's taking off for the night, so I wonder what he's gonna do.
Hello? Hello? Is anyone there?
Coming! Copy, this is Fire Tower 4, over.
I saw this channel listed over the trail down here. I need you to help me. I lost it. Something is chasing me. Please, give a pass. Yes.
Will someone stop interrupting the lights? I'm trying to talk to a hiker. Thank you. Anyways, as I was saying, okay, so what do you mean? What's chasing you? Over.
I don't know. Something started chasing me, so I started running. You have to help me. I'm going to die out here.
Oh, I better help this hiker. He's been chased by a wild animal, like a bear or something else. I'll turn on the floodlights so he'll know where I am. Oh, what was that, huh?
I don't know what happened back there. I was camping, you know, a solo hike, just a day or two to myself.
Go through.
Fresh air, no crime.
Okay.
Yeah, well, it's because that did me. I'm sorry, I'm just rattling at you. Trying to keep my head busy, you know?
Yeah, okay.
Whatever you do.
Well, it's just a mistake. I wonder how many hikers had gone missing because I saw the newspaper of many hikers being missing. So, huh?
Some kind of break on the road. Leaving the Carnation Rocks Trail. What should I do?
Do I have to tell him left or right? Well, if it's left or right. Oh, right. Or maybe left. I don't know. I'll choose. Maybe it's left or right. Oh, right. I think it's right. Gotcha. Take the right path. Over.
All right.
Okay, I'll wait for the hiker. The hiker needs help. Anyways, what? Did the hiker just said that? I must go to him if he did said that. Hiker, what did you just said? Hello? I don't copy. Could you repeat? Over.
You feeling all right up there? I didn't say anything. I'd be up to anything, right?
If the hiker did not say that, then who said that? What is that? What is staring at me? What was that? Forget it. That's... What was that? What mistake? Crap. Let go. I'll get it. Just keep on the path, okay? You're almost here.
No. Did you hear that? It's not. It's Milkshake. Did you see that?
Oh my god, what the hell was that loud screaming echoing in the woods? Oh.
I think I lost it. I definitely lost the thread too.
Oh, that's a shame. What do you see? Any landmarks?
I think I see a lake and cave, a mine, something like that.
Okay, he sees some landmarks like a lake, a cave, and a mine, and something like that. Well, yeah. Oh, I have an idea. Okay. Go towards the mine. You can find a way back to the trail from there. Over.
Hello? Okay. Get me out of this. I owe you one. Okay, let's set it back.
He'll be here on time. I don't know what that scream was, but the hiker will be here on time.
Are you
Huh?
watching the lake?
What the hell is he talking about now? Huh?
With me. Is this your idea of prank? Because, I get it. Let's all have a good laugh at the lost guy. But, okay. That's not fair. Maybe you're not laughing. You know, you aren't laughing, right? This is actually the way over to you.
Anyways, the hiker just spoke to me, but what on earth was that scream? I heard that scream the first time, but now the second time? Did the hiker said, "Are you watching the lake?" No, he wasn't. It was something mimicking the hiker's voice. Whatever that is, I am going to explode like a balloon. Oh my god, what was that? Well, anyways, I must tell that guy if he's joking or not. Sorry. I'm not messing with you. Why is he pranking with me? No and oh. But ignore that screaming sound and look at the fresh air. Now.
You going to save him?
Okay, that doesn't sound like a good sign. Well, as I was saying...
Looks like another fork in the road. Anybody?
Let me guess. So he's in the fork of the road, and then he has to go there, which is my tower, which is located there. And whatever's there might get him. Oh, this way. And then I'll point it this way. So the hiker will know where I am. Wait, before I can say to the hiker, I must look at the map again. So he has to go there, and then he has to go, which way? Ah, there. I'll say it to him. Head off this path to the left.
You, I'm getting a feeling that, somebody's watching you.
What? No!
You know what? Never mind. I'm just being paranoid.
Yeah, I know. I'll turn on the floodlights again. There. My mind. What could be imagining me in my mind? Oh.
You there?
Yes?
Where am I? Where did you sit? Because I just jumped out to some empty tower. I already told you.
Oh, that's the tower right here.
Not funny. I've had gigs all night.
Okay.
Tell me where you are. Show me where you are.
I'm here.
I need to know that I am not alone out here.
Okay. Is it the goat man or the hiker? I bet it's the hiker. I better turn on the floodlights again. Maybe not. The goat man can see my location. Well, I should not. Yeah. Huh? Wait, what? Oh, you're here! Oh my god! Thank God I'm here. Oh, there you are. Where you been? I've been lost in the woods, and something was chasing me. I heard some screaming, but I don't know what happened. Okay, but I need to take a rest. I just need to go to sleep. Okay, got you, bro. Let's say good night. Wait, where's the hiker? He was right here sitting and sleeping, and now he's gone? Maybe he ran away? I don't know. At least my camera's still here. Where in the earth is the hiker? Oh, maybe I'm back here and was up.
I don't know where I'm going. He chased me off the trail. I think it knows where I'm trying to go. Please, I can get there before it catches me. I just need to know where I'm going.
Got it, sir. Oh, what is that noise? It looks like a screeching noise. Did I spill water on my speaker? Never mind. I don't think so. I hope the hiker is okay. But let's say about that later. I must go back. Oh, it's so dark. It's still dark still. Anyways. Huh? What? I am doomed. Oh my god, please don't come in the door. Oh my god! Dude, are you good? You were panicking. Sorry, I just had a nightmare. Oh, okay. People can have nightmares. How about watch some videos on your computer, like YouTube? Oh, okay. I'll type YouTube. Oh, I can watch YouTube peacefully.